back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna share with you a easy black smoky eye makeup look. So if you want to see how I create my black smoky eye, so watch the video till the end. First I'm taking kajal. For kajal I'm using Elite Eye Drama kajal. You can use your any favorite kajal which you want. Then I'm applying my kajal over my eyelid as shown in the video. I am applying it over my full eyelid. Next I'm taking a blending brush for blending my kajal. I'm blending my kajal perfectly. Then I'm taking a black eyeshadow and applying it on my eyelid and blend it with my kajal. It is very important step. Next I'm taking a dark brown eyeshadow and applying it on my crease line and blend it with my kajal. This step is also very important because brown color with the black color gives you a transition color which looks very good on your eyes. And blend it perfectly, because blending is very important step in your eye makeup, especially in a smoky eye makeup. Next I'm applying my same kajal in my lower lash line. Next I'm taking a small smudger brush and black eyeshadow, applying it on my lower lash line and smudge my kajal. Next I am applying mascara. Don't forget to apply your mascara on your lower lash line. So here I am completing my eye makeup. And here is my final look, guys. I am completing my look with the red lipstick. For lipstick I am using Blue Heaven Elegant Matte Lip Color in the shade 10. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.